Together with modern APIs, progressive web apps or PWAs are making digitization more attractive and cost-effective. Progressive web apps are easier to access, are more engaging, and have a small code footprint that can be refreshed without going through the hassle of App Store approvals. Now, WaveMaker makes it even faster and easier for developers to write PWAs without compromising on web security. PWAs bring the best of both worlds, the wide reach of web apps and the device capability of native apps. They use architectural elements like service workers and manifests to give users a native app-like experience. WaveMaker web apps are already PWA ready. They leverage Angular's underlying PWA capability that offers a host of features such as installability and caching. With a few app-specific tweaks, notifications can be switched on by default too. Developers can also choose a custom icon for the app, making it easy to spot on the mobile. WaveMaker is also adding a bouquet of features to PWAs, like periodic background sync, navigation preload, persistent storage, and many more. The WaveMaker low-code platform is continuously innovating to make it easy for enterprise developers to adopt PWA and provide mobile users a superior experience. Try WaveMaker today.